the oh, good.
Hello.
Hi guys, this afternoon, sore ini Kak Sos mau ajak kalian unboxing belanjaan dari Misfit, tapi Dede yang akan bikin apa? Unboxing. Ikutin yuk. Surprise-nya apa? Surprise. Oh, pumpkin. Oh, butternut squash, honey patch squash, apple cider vinegar. Surprise. Ooh, tortillas, taco wrap. Oh, purple cabbage, favorit mama. Oh, this squash I like it. So many squash. What in the world? Ini favoritnya Dede. Everything rice. Oh my goodness, pumpkin segede gitu. Pumpkin apa sayang namanya? What kind of pumpkin?
There's coconut.
Oh, that I like it, coconut.
Johnny Cheddar.
Oh, that is accurate. That's your favorite.
Cans of tomato paste.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, purple yam. Purple sweet potato. Purple sweet potato. I love it. You can make sweet potato. Onion, organic onion. I love it. Ini ubi ungu guys. Oh, jangan gitu pelan-pelan. Busuk. We have to take a picture of this and return it. Okay. Potato, apa bahasa Indonesia potato? Kentang. Can you say kentang? Labu lagi, ya ampun, kasih labu berapa banyak? Semua labu Dede. Bawang putih, can you say bawang?
Bawang.
Putih. What is putih? What is
onion.
putih? No, putih. Bawang is onion. Yeah, good job. Okay.
Yeah.
Coconut yogurt.
Yogurt?
Yeah, coconut. Is it? Can you read it? What is it?
Harmony started is vanilla ultra coated coconut.
Huh.
Can I eat it?
Sure. Alright, segede bagong gini guys orderannya, kotaknya ya. Ya ampun, kita mau makan squash banyak Dede, segede ini nih. Belanjaan.
This is how mommy cuts the coconut.
This is where it hung on the tree, Johan.
Ooh.
This is the end of it.
Dapat.
I wonder if we can do this. See, I think this is rather old, Johan. Not so fresh like the last time. Oh. Be careful. You can get this thing splattered on your eye. There's the that's the coconut.
I get this stuff.
And then later when we are done, we can get the coconut.
Here, I want to take a video.
Is it good? Makan tegan guys. Tapi udah tuaan sih kelapanya, nggak muda banget. Enak sayang.
Enak.
Itu belanjaan dari Misfit belum saya simpan. Dedek suka nih. Saya kalau ke toko Asia selalu belikan Dedek papaya.
Papaya.
Kelapa. Can you say kelapa?
Blah blah blah.
Kelapa. Say kelapa. Bukan kepala. Kepala is your head. Kelapa is coconut.
Kepala.
Kepala, kelapa.
I love the way you look in the morning. Sunlight hitting you just right. As day breaks and the clouds start forming,